Wow. I almost cried, and I don't usually cry, but I first want to thank the Laureus Academy for this award. I've been nominated quite a few times, I think about 6. So I'm really honored to be here to receive this award. You know, to consider that when I was 13 in 2000, the Laureus Award started. And I realized being 13, a young girl from Kingston, Jamaica, Waterhouse mainly, being poor, looking back now, I say that there's no barrier when it comes to your passion and your calling as time honors your greatness. And when I started doing track and field, it was my opportunity to come out of my circumstances. My mom told me that this was going to be my launching pad. This was going to be my way to college. And at first, I didn't believe because I didn't have a lot of role models around me. I didn't see a lot of girls, you know, graduating from high school and making it to college. And as I look back on my career and everything that I've been able to accomplish, and I look in the audience, I see my husband, and I really want to tell him thanks for his constant support, because it has always been true. You know, my family and my friends, my management team as well. And I also been here, seeing all the other athletes who have championed their career and seeing, you know, just how much they have excelled. And your work empowers us. It empowers me as well to continue to strive for excellence. When I was 21 and I started competing, I always thought that, you know, I wanted to run 10.6. It was something that I dreamed about. And I had my son when I was 30, and it was after the 2016 Olympics when I had a toe injury. And had I followed the opinions of people and what they deem is possible for women, I wouldn't be here. When I had my son changed my life forever. It was my greatest blessing. It was my strength. It was my power. And I think it showed that as women, our careers are not stopped when we have kids. We can go on to be more and become more, and we can evolve. And that has been the extraordinary thing that has changed my life. I came back, and I remember standing on the track. I was nervous because of the expectations. You know, people tell you that when you're 30, you should wrap it up, call it quits, you should go home, you should sit, because people love to put, you know, limits on us as women. And I remember in 2019, my son was 2 years old, almost 3. And I stood at the line, not only for him, but for other women who will decide that I want to start a family. I want to come back at age 30. I want to come from injuries. I want to do this. They too can see me, and they will believe that it is possible. So I thank you so much, the Laureus Academy, for this award, and I pray that it will be an inspiration to all Jamaican young girls, mainly the girls from my Pocket Rocket Foundation, to know that there's no limits when you believe what you believe and continue to work hard, continue to inspire the next generation of women to understand that we are strong, we are powerful, and most importantly, we are fearless. So thank you very much.